Finding a business platform that keeps your data smooth and accessible is always a challenge. We are skipping the usual technical jargon today to look at how Zoho CRM and Odoo CRM actually stack up against each other. Both platforms approach managing data differently, depending on whether you want a dedicated sales tool or a complete operational system. Let us look closely at how these systems handle daily work so you can make the right call. To kick things off with how these platforms handle your daily revenue generation, we need to look closely at their core lead tracking and sales pipelines. We find that Zoho CRM operates as a specialized powerhouse built specifically to get your sales reps moving fast. The platform uses native layout tools and automated workflows that allow you to set up rules for assigning incoming leads, tracking deal stages, and calculating lead scores automatically. Everything inside the system is designed to keep a salesperson focused on closing deals without getting bogged down by unrelated company modules. On the flip side of this design philosophy, Odoo CRM takes a completely different path by treating the sales pipeline as just the initial step of a much larger business lifecycle. Instead of isolating your pipeline, Odoo builds the customer relationship features straight into its central database framework. This means that when a sales rep updates an opportunity status to 1, the system can instantly push that data forward to create a formal quotation or an official sales order. We noticed that while Zoho gives you a cleaner, more intuitive interface out of the box for pure sales tracking, Odoo thrives when your sales process is deeply tied to back-office tasks. If your team only needs to manage customer communication and move deals through standard pipeline stages, Zoho offers a smoother path. However, if your sales cycle requires moving immediately from a one deal to deep commercial documentation, Odoo provides a continuous loop without any data gaps. We know that a sales team lives and dies by their reminders, client call logs, and scheduled meetings. Zoho handles this environment by using a clean timeline approach where every email, text notification, and calendar event sits neatly inside the specific contact profile. We can easily configure their automated processes to trigger follow-up alerts for reps the moment a client opens an email or visits a specific web page. This highly focused style ensures that no individual prospect falls through the cracks during busy weeks. Alternatively, Odoo approaches daily task management through a broader productivity framework. Because Odoo relies on a modular application setup, your CRM activities link directly with company-wide project management boards and shared employee calendars. When a sales rep schedules a follow-up call or assigns a task inside the CRM, that entry can automatically populate on a master operational calendar or trigger a subtask for the fulfillment team. Zoho gives you a highly specialized space to keep sales communication quick and personal that keep every department on the exact same page. We see that Zoho CRM relies heavily on separate applications like Zoho Inventory or third-party marketplace connections to handle warehouse data. If you use the comprehensive Zoho One bundle, syncing your sales records with your warehouse stock works relatively well, but it still requires data to pass between distinct modules. This setup functions perfectly for retail businesses or agencies that need straightforward stock tracking alongside their client accounts. However, this is exactly where Odoo showcases its core strength as a full enterprise resource planning system. Odoo does not just connect to an inventory system, because its CRM app lives directly inside the very same database as your warehouse and manufacturing tracks. The moment your sales team confirms an order within the Odoo CRM, the platform immediately checks stock levels across multiple warehouse branches, reserves the necessary items, and can even trigger a raw material purchase order if supplies are running low. If your business focuses entirely on services or simple digital products, Zoho keeps things light and uncomplicated. But if your daily operations involve managing heavy physical stock, scrap rates, or bills of materials, Odoo handles those heavy logistical movements seamlessly. We find that Zoho CRM treats its ecosystem like a curated collection of specialized digital tools. It comes with pre-built connection points for popular external workspaces like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Slack, making the initial onboarding process incredibly fast for non-technical teams. If you want to connect your CRM to external marketing channels or accounting tools, the Zoho Marketplace offers a wide array of plug-and-play extensions. In sharp contrast, Odoo minimizes the need for third-party software altogether by providing its own extensive native business apps. Instead of looking for an external email marketing tool or a separate website builder, Odoo expects you to simply install their corresponding internal modules. We have found that Zoho is the clear winner for businesses that want a fast setup using their existing external software tools without writing code. Odoo becomes the better choice if your company wants to eliminate external software subscriptions completely and consolidate everything into a single, highly customized open-source framework that your IT team can control. We enjoy using Zoho CRM for its advanced, user-friendly analytical dashboards that focus heavily on sales metrics, conversion rates, and revenue forecasting. Zoho includes an artificial intelligence tool that works well for finding anomalies in your sales data and predicting future pipeline trends out of the box. This makes it incredibly simple for a sales manager to log in and instantly see which reps are hitting their targets and where deals are slowing down. On the other hand, Odoo focuses less on built-in artificial intelligence guidance and more on deep cross-departmental data extraction. Because Odoo stores all business information in one central repository, your reports can easily link sales pipeline data directly to live invoice collections, actual manufacturing costs, and real-time project profitability. Zoho provides a highly polished visual experience for tracking sales performance and customer trends without requiring database expertise. Odoo provides the raw analytical depth needed to understand the true financial health of your entire operation, making it ideal for leadership teams that need to see how sales numbers impact warehouse costs and bottom-line accounting. Concluding our comparison, the right choice comes down to your core operational structure. We recommend choosing Zoho CRM if your primary goal is to empower your sales team with a fast, dedicated tool that handles pipelines and marketing workflows smoothly without a steep learning curve. Choose Odoo CRM instead if your business requires a complete, unified system that seamlessly connects client deals directly with complex inventory, manufacturing, and deep accounting.